Hello, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Capricorn, po una mensahe po ninyo ay a change is coming, no? Sabi dito ni Archangel Michael, I am here to guide you through this exciting transformation. This is a time of joyous opportunities. Napakagandang mga oportunidad ang maaring parating sa inyo, Capricorn. And this is going to create a beautiful and positive changes sa buhay ninyo. Kaya this is really an exciting period, no? Of time sa buhay ninyo. Angels of healing are with you. So, napakaganda naman. A time of healing is about to bless your life. Accept Archangel Raphael's emerald green light while I enhance your strength. So, napakaganda, no? Working hand in hand dito si Archangel Michael and Archangel Raphael para bigyan kayo ng lakas, no? Para bigyan kayo ng healing. Kung ano man ang mga let's say for example, ano ninyo, physical ailments, no? May mga physical struggles kayo, struggle sa kalusugan, no? Mga ganon, or even emotional, no? Turmoil, ay tutulungan kayo ni Archangel Michael and Archangel Raphael dito na mag-heal na kayo, magamot na kayo, malagpasan na ninyo kung ano man ang mga difficulties na ito. We have prioritized self-care. Ayan, ano? You do so much for others. It's time for you to experience the love you deserve and let others help you, Capricorn. Kaya siguro meron kayong healing energy na makukuha sa ngayon kasi nga maaring meron talaga kayong iniindang sakit, no? Meron kayong iniindang mga discomfort sa katawan kasi you've been taking care of many people, you've been taking care of others, pero siguro yung kasarili ninyong katawan, yung pangangailangan din ninyo, hindi ninyo ito natutugunan or hindi ninyo ito na bibigyan ng panahon or atensyon, ano, Capricorn. Kaya sabi dito, panahon na, no, para ma-experience mo naman ang love para sa sarili mo at you should allow also other people, no, to show some love, no, sa'yo. Magpapakita din sila ng pagmamahal sa'yo. So, allow them, no, allow them to experience as well na makapag-express ng pagmamahal sa'yo. So, what else? We have make a decision. Are you choosing to prioritize yourself or another in this situation? Accept divine guidance pointing you toward your own joy. You deserve it. Okay? So, kailangan na ninyo din mag-decision siguro dito na i-prioritize ang inyong sarili, okay? Kasi lagi na lang ang ibang tao siguro yun nilalagay ninyo sa number 1 priority ninyo. Pero ngayon, panahon na para baguhin mo ang direksyon na tinatahak mo, and instead of putting others, no, onto your first priority o sa inyong priority list, ilagay ninyo yung sarili ninyo dyan, no, and make it the number 1 priority. We have your vibration is rising. This is a time of great spiritual growth for you. You are evolving to occupy a higher energetic frequency. Ayan, so this is really beautiful, no? You're really beautiful. Kasi panahon daw ito of great spiritual growth. So ngayon, maybe you're also realizing, no? Na kung ano yung purpose ninyo sa buhay, maaaring yan ang pagtutuunan din ninyo ng pansin. Yun siguro ngayon yung bibigyan din ninyo ng puwang. Maybe around this time you will be able to find out, no, your purpose in life. And siguro ngayon mas masaya din ang puso ninyo kasi mas siguro you'll be able to build deeper relationship with the divine universe, no? At saka sa sarili ninyo, no? So, what else? We have someone new is coming. Ayan, mayroong bagong paparating na tao sa buhay ninyo dito, Capricorn. An important new relationship is on the horizon. So, open your mind and heart so that happiness can enter your life. Ayan. So, this could be anyone, ano, na maaring dumating sa buhay ninyo at this time. So, probably, love and romantic connection ito, no, na dadating sa inyo, kaya mas magiging kayo, mas magiging masaya, exciting ang ganap, no, at that will raise your vibration. What else? We have trust your angels. Let go of your expectations of how your dreams will come true. Trust that heaven has a perfect plan. Ayan. So, tanggalin na natin yung mga expectations natin. Tanggalin na natin yung pagkokontrol sa outcome ng kung ano man ang mga gusto nating mangyari, no? Sa buhay natin, katulad na lang ng pag-unfold ng ating mga pangarap. Kasi, always remember that God is giving us what is best for us, no? Parte yan the divine has a perfect plan para sa atin. Kaya wag na nating questionin, wag na nating kontrolin, wag na nating kontrahen, 'di ba? Kung ano man yung mga nag-unfold sa buhay natin. Okay? What else? We have it's time to play. Capricorn, you're working too hard and worrying about everything. Seek out joyous experiences to bring balance into your life. Okay? Kailangan natin ng balance. Kailangan natin na bigyan ng oras, panahon, atensyon ang lahat ng areas sa buhay natin. Hindi lang yung puro trabaho, hindi lang yung puro obligasyon, responsibilidad sa pamilya. We also need to give time for ourselves, okay? Para na makapag-declutter tayo ng mga negativity sa isip, sa puso natin. We need to step back a little paminsan, ano? We need to give time for ourselves to play. We need to give ourselves time to relax, no? To chill, to replenish, to rejuvenate, 'di ba? Para nang sa gayon lagi tayong on top of our health. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.